Welcome to the third session of Biology Crash Course. In this module, we are going to learn about we are going to learn about our teeth. The teeth is the masticatory apparatus. That means it is used for chewing and it arises from certain specialized cells which are present on the skin that covers our jaws. We have two jaws, the upper and the lower jaw. And the skin covering these jaws has certain specialized cells from which the masticatory apparatus called as teeth arises. The number, arrangement, and the shape of the teeth is called as dentition. I repeat, the number, arrangement, and shape of our teeth is called as dentition. And human dentition is described as thecodont, heterodont, and diphyodont. Let us learn each in detail. Why human dentition is called as thecodont? Because the teeth are found in cavities. These are the cavities which are present on the jaws, the upper and the lower jaws. And these cavities are called as teeth sockets. And because our teeth are lodged inside these teeth sockets which are present on our upper and lower jaws, the dentition is called as thecodont. Why the dentition is called as heterodont? In an adult human being, we know we have 32 teeth. We have 32 teeth, 16 each in the upper jaw and lower jaw. So total we have 32 teeth. And we have 4 types of teeth based on their function they perform. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. We have 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Just because we are having 4 different types of teeth in an adult human being, the dentition in humans are called as heterodont. Is it clear? We have 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars, based upon their shape and based upon their function they perform. Let's learn about incisors. Incisors is chisel shaped. We know chisel is a tool which is used for cutting or shaping wood, stone, and even metal. So the chisel shaped teeth is called as incisors, and it is having sharp cutting edges which is used for cutting the food into pieces. The front teeth, these are our incisors which is used for cutting our food into pieces. Next, we will learn about the dagger-shaped canines. The dagger-shaped canine, it is used for tearing the food. Here we can see the picture of a canine which is having a sharp cutting edge. Dagger means a knife-like tool which is having a sharp cutting edge and is used for tearing the food. The side ones, these are the canines in our buccal cavity. Next, the last type of teeth, premolars and molars. They are very strong. They have broad and flat surfaces which is used for crushing and grinding the food. We can see in this picture the premolars and the molars which is having broad and flat surfaces which is used for crushing and also for grinding the food. In man, the last four molars, that is 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw, they appear at a stage of around 17 to 18 years, and these 4 molars which arise later, they are called as wisdom tooth. And these premolars and molars, it is placed in the inner side of our buccal cavity. Thus we have 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars, each performing different functions. Next, we learn why the human dentition is called as diphyodont. It is because in human beings, 2 sets of teeth appear in their lifetime. The first type of teeth is called as the milk teeth, and the second type of teeth is called as permanent teeth. And that's why the human dentition is called as diphyodont dentition. The milk teeth are very weak and temporary teeth which is developed in our childhood. We would have experienced the falling of the milk teeth when we were a child, and it would have been a painful experience for us. And this milk teeth is replaced by the permanent teeth. And the milk teeth is 20 in number, 10 each in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. So the total number of milk teeth is 20. Dental formula. The number and arrangement of teeth on either side of each jaw, that is the upper and lower jaw, is called as dental formula. In this picture we can see the upper jaw and the lower jaw. I stands for incisors, C stands for canines, P for premolars and M for molars. How they are arranged and the number of teeth on either side is called as dental formula. Dental formula of milk dentition is I, that is incisors, 2 by 2, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. Canines, that is represented as C, 1 on the upper jaw and 1 on the lower jaw. Premolars are absent in milk dentition, so it is represented by 0 by 0, 0 on the upper jaw and 0 on the lower jaw. And molars, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. So total one side, that is one side of the upper jaw, that is 5 teeth, and the lower side, that is the lower jaw, is having 5 teeth. So 5 plus 5, 10. When we take the total count on both the sides, so 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So that's the number of teeth or milk teeth in a human lifetime, that is 20 in number. Next is dental formula of adult. In adult, there are 16 teeth on each jaw, 16 on the upper jaw and 16 on the lower jaw. Let us see how it is arranged. Incisors is 2 by 2 on one side, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. Canine is 1 by 1, 1 on the upper jaw and 1 on the lower jaw. Premolars are 2 by 2, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. And molars is 3 by 3, 3 on the upper jaw and 3 on the lower jaw. So one side, upper jaw is lodging 8 and lower jaw is lodging 8. So 16 on one side. So 16 plus 16, you get 32. So 16 teeth on the upper jaw and 16 teeth on the lower jaw. So total number of adult teeth is 32. What is the color of our teeth? It's white in color. The crown part of our teeth is covered by a non-living white substance, and this non-living white substance is called as enamel. It's called as enamel, and it is the hardest substance inside the human body, and it is the chewing surface of the tooth, and it is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. And with the help of this teeth, mastication of our food, that is breaking down of the larger food particles into simpler ones, is done in the buccal cavity with the help of teeth. So dear children, in this module, we learned about a masticatory apparatus called as teeth. It is called as thecodont because it is lodged inside teeth sockets which is present in the jaws. It is called as heterodont because we have 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The human dentition is also called as diphyodont because we have 2 types of teeth in our lifetime: milk teeth and permanent teeth. We studied about dental formula, which is the arrangement of teeth in each side of our jaw. Thank you.